This week I'm testing the Renault Kadjar. It's a 5-seater SUV, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the auto lock and unlock doors. You simply press on the button here and the doors will unlock. It means you don't have to fumble around in your bag for your key, and you can do that again to lock them or simply just walk away. Number 2 is the boot. It's a really good size and you can drop the floor down by about 10 centimetres, which gives you a lot of extra room. Also, the floor is divided in 2 and you can put the barrier like this, and if you haven't got a full boot of shopping, this works really well to hold your shopping in one place so it doesn't fall about across the boot. Number 3 is the drive. The Kadjar is very light, it's very nimble, it's very smooth and quiet, and it's great around town. I have loved driving the Renault Kadjar this week with my family. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.